Happy Thanksgiving to you. Yes. Come on. There you go. How's it going? How you doing? Happy Thanksgiving. There you go. Of course. We'll put that on there. Thank you. Appreciate your service. Have a good Thanksgiving.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Hey. Appreciate you. Hi there. How you doing? Good job. Thanks.
Howdy, RGV. We need Donald J. Trump back as our President of the United States of America. I'm here today to officially proclaim my endorsement for Donald J. Trump to be President of the United States of America again.
Thank you very much. It's a tremendous honor to get that endorsement in particular because he really stepped up. He stepped up to the plate. He's doing the job of what the federal government is supposed to be doing. And I'm just telling you, Mr. Governor, I am going to make your job much easier. You'll be able to focus on other things in Texas. We love Texas, and what they've done is very unfair. They've given the job to you. It's a job of security for our country. It's a job of stopping an invasion, because it's an invasion. And you've done a great job, and thank you very much for the endorsement, Greg. I appreciate it very much. Thank you. It's a great honor.